squares, square roots, and reciprocals. Some formulas involve squares, square roots, and reciprocals. The reverse of a square is a square root. If y is equal to x squared, then x is equal to plus or minus the square root of y. The reverse of a square root is a square. If a is equal to the square root of b, then b is equal to a squared. The reverse of a reciprocal is itself. If m is equal to 1 over n, then n is equal to 1 over m. Reciprocal. The reciprocal of a number is obtained by dividing a number into 1. For example, find the reciprocal of the following. Number 1, 4. Number 2, x. Solution. Number 1, 4. The reciprocal of 4 is equal to 1 over 4. Number 2, x. The reciprocal of x is equal to 1 over x. More examples. Number 1, c is equal to 3d squared over 4. Make d the subject of the formula. Solution. C is equal to 3d squared over 4. C is over 1. Cross multiplication. 3d squared is equal to 4c. Divide by 3 on both sides. 3 is going to cancel with 3. D squared is equal to 4c over 3. D is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4c over 3. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, D is equal to plus or minus 2 times the square root of c over 3. Number 2, m is equal to the square root of n plus 3. Make n the subject of the formula. Solution. M is equal to the square root of n plus 3. M squared is equal to square root of n plus 3 square if we square both sides. Square root square is equal to half times 2, which is equal to 1. They cancel each other. M squared is equal to n plus 3. Positive 3 is going to shift to this side, which will be minus 3. M squared minus 3 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to m squared minus 3. Number 3. If an electrical circuit has current I and resistance R, then its power is given by P is equal to I squared R. A. Make I the subject of this formula. B. Find the current which will give a power of 20 units for a resistance of 30 units. Solution. A. To make I the subject of the formula, from P is equal to I square R, divide by R on both sides. R is going to cancel with R. I square is equal to P over R. Therefore, I is equal to the square root of P over R. Note that current cannot be negative. B. From I is equal to the square root of P over R. P is equal to 20 units and R is equal to 30 units. Therefore, I is equal to the square root of 20 over 30, which is equal to the square root of 2 over 3. Therefore, current is the square root of 2 over 3 units. Exercise. Make A the subject of the formula. Number 1, B is equal to 2A squared. Number 2, Y is equal to the square root of X over A.